So we're at the CrossFit Games again. This is our second year in Madison.
Pose method become very well known in the CrossFit community.
We're having a great time meeting everyone and growing the running community within CrossFit.
You know, when you pick up a barbell, they teach you how to run a barbell. What people don't realize, they think, oh, I know how to run. No, you don't. You have to teach people how to run.
CrossFit, you are great. You're incredible athletes, but your running sucks.
So yesterday's demonstration on the main floor here went fantastic.
We had over 150 people come out. That was great. We had about 15-20 people actually get to feel the drills and exercises on their own. And on CBS we had a great talk with Dan Bailey and Andy Sakamoto about how technique in running made a huge difference in the way that those athletes were able to finish out their run yesterday on the tri event.
I'm looking forward that more and more CrossFitters will be familiar and skillful in running.